Hey guys, in this video I want to show you WP Call Directory. With this awesome WordPress plugin, you're going to be able to create a call directory with Twilio and WordPress. Twilio is a service that allows you to interact with an application to a phone number. So you can buy a 1-800 number or a 1-888 number or even a local number for I think like $2 a month. You'll have to go to twilio.com/pricing to see all the different pricing for the different areas and the different numbers, but I got a 1-800 number for $2, and using a 1-800 number on your website will increase your conversions and make you more money. And you can also set these up for your local clients and manage them for them. When you install the plugin here, you'll see a new tab in WordPress called Call Directory. At the top here, you'll have a home icon, 1 to 9 and 0. These are all the different keypads on a phone, so you can set up them. You can basically set up a department for each number. So basically the first page here, you get the your call voice URL, which you will need to put into Twilio whenever that loads up. That's how you set it up. You can read this tutorial video, or no, this tutorial PDF here that shows you how to sign up for Twilio and how to set the numbers up and how to set everything up like that. It's really easy to do. The next thing here is you can set up the call home screen. So basically, when someone calls your number, you can do one of two things. Have it just read some text for you. So whatever, so you can write "Welcome to John's Pizza." And what this will do, Twilio will read this out as soon as someone calls your phone. So it'll say "Welcome to John's Pizza," or you can have a MP3 file or .wav file right here, so you can record a message or a song that will start when the first thing you will do when someone calls your number. You can hit save and save those settings. So that's the intro, or the call, the home call screen. So I'm going to click on number 1. This is the keypad 1. So basically each keypad can be either on or off. And if it's off, when that person presses that number, it will redirect to the home, since that department doesn't exist. Each keypad here is considered a different department on your directory. So you can see here, you can see how many requests, how many times people actually requested that department. So what we're going to do is we're going to have it edit, so when people press 1, we can have some stuff go on. So there's a few things here for a key or department we can edit. We can edit the intro to the department. So once the intro to the call home screen is played, you can have some text here that will correspond with this department. For example, you can write in here press 1 to hear the store hours. And again, I like this one before. Once you have text here, it will read it off with the text-to-speech engine inside of Twilio. Or we can have a MP3 file. So if you have a MP3 file of yourself or a home actor or a voice actor, you can put it here, which would be the same thing. You'd probably want to say press 1 to hear the store hours. And then once they do press 1, we have a department actions. So we have a few actions that can happen once someone presses that number when this department, so number 1. So we can have it as info text. This will read text, text-to-speech information, i.e. time, hours, information, or special discounts on your site or for your client. So basically anything that you type here, like store hours, will be read to the caller. We can do info MP3, which will just display an MP3 file. So once they press 1, it'll just play an MP3 file. We can have it record an email. So what we can do here is we can have it so that we can to prompt the caller to record a message, and then after that message is done, we can email that URL to that MP3 file of their recording to an email. So what we can have here is, so there's record intro. So basically, once they press this, if we're going to have a record and email action, what we'd want to do is you want to have some sort of information telling the caller what to do. For example, record, like we can write here, record your message for sales after the beep, and then the phone or Twilio will make a beep noise, and then the person can start recording their message and then hitting the pound sign when they're done recording. You can have a text, the same as before, text to speech, or you can have an MP3 file of yourself talking, basically saying the same thing. And then you can down here you can put an email address to where that email will be sent, or that recording of that URL, the recording of that call will be sent. You can change the email subject and the body copy. And the last action we have here is a call forward. So basically when they press this department, we can have it call a different number. So for example, we can put in here and put in a different number, and then once they press 1, we can call forward them to another number. For example, let's say you have a sales team or something, we can forward it to a sales team. And then once we have that done, we can go down here and hit save, and this will prompt up saying department settings saved, and then we can go on and edit the keypad for number 1, for number 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and all the way to 9 and 0. So any active keys will have a little dark spot here, like this right here. We'll know it's active if it's gray, it's not active. So you can see how easy it is to actually set up a full feature and quite nice call directory for yourself or for a client. Grab your copy right now for only $9, and you get a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's nothing to lose. Thanks.